Hi, my name is Nikki and welcome to my channel. I am an artist, musician, singer, writer. I do laboratory work, mostly with opals right now. I have a jeweler certificate where I could solder. Most of my painting is with acrylics and watercolor. I also really like to sketch. During the day, I'm an HR payroll manager. I'm very busy, so I can't post every day, but I will do my best to at least do a video a week. So make sure you subscribe and press the notification button so that you know when I post. I'm very green at this, so it'll be a journey, but please bear with me. And if you have any suggestions or comments, let me know. You can poke around my channel and listen to my music or look at my other artwork. I got into this because I had done this painting and people asked me if I had done a video, and I had not, of course. So I'm doing one following this with the same color scheme. It's just a little bit smaller. So thanks for joining me and let me know what you think.